Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. Today we are embarking on a new walking challenge. This is day one of Empowered, your 5-day walking journey. For the next 5 days, we're going to walk together in the comfort of your own living space for 10 minutes a day. Make that commitment. Let's create some positive change in this world and create a healthy habit. You need nothing fancy, something for hydration. Go ahead and slip on your sneakers and let's get started. I'm going to meet you back here. We're going to start in our gentle walk. Let's go. All right, my friends, so meeting you back here in home base, our gentle walk. We have 4 basic moves. This is number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and set my watch for 10 minutes, indoor walking. And we're getting right into it. Day 1, I'm titling this mantra for the day, I am inspired. So I want you to feel inspired to create this positive change and make the commitment to start your healthy lifestyle today. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a wellness professional, and I help folks here online feel better, increase their balance, increase their mobility, and reduce stress through in-home walking and yoga and also health education. So if that sounds like your jam, my friend, you have landed in the right spot. I always have my sidekick Charlie with me as a little helpful walking buddy. So great to have you here. 4 basic moves. This is number 1, walk in place. I'm going to show you the next couple of moves. So check in. Let's start by checking in. Tune into sensations within your body. How are you feeling today? Can you soften your shoulders? Can you feel a little bit more length of tallness in the spine? Standing tall and proud. And a lift in the heart. Can you soften? Where are you holding tension? Where can you start to soften and let go? And then find a pace that works for you. I've had a lot of coffee this morning, so I'm raring to go. Maybe your pace is a little slower, maybe you're a little faster than me. So meet yourself where you are today. And this is move 1, I call it home base. So we always come back here. We're not learning any fancy dance moves. Keep this low impact and just kind of a light, fun workout for all ages, all stages of the game, right? So our next move, I'm gonna turn to the side. We're gonna lift a knee. So knee lift, yeah. And then naturally, your belly button's gonna draw in towards the spine, protecting, engaging that 360 core. And the lift here, maybe you wanna get the arms up, maybe just reach both arms to the sky. Yeah. See what works for you. Find a movement pattern that works for you. If this is a little challenging, you might have a wall or a chair close by to support your balance. And we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to home base, walk it out. Move your body. Let's have some fun. I am inspired. I want you to know you inspire me in so many ways. And I want you to also maybe inspire your family or friends. Let them know, hey, I'm committed to this 5-day challenge. I did day 1, it felt awesome. You want to join me? Definitely share, let them know. Inspire others to create that positive ripple of change in their lives. Moving, feeling better. You know, I love to move my body, right? That just helps me feel better. It boosts our metabolism, creates those happy, healthy hormones. Our endorphins, adrenaline might be increased. Just helps us boost our feelings and reduce stress. So this is a great way to do so. Next move, it's going to be a side step. Use the space you have. We're just going to step and step side to side, back and forth we go. Ooh, yeah. Maybe you sink the hips down a little bit lower here. Going at your pace, not mine. See what feels good. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home base, walk it out. Nice job. I want you to know that you are backed by a big community of walkers all over the world that have also committed to making this change. And so making that impact, feeling inspired, creative, excited to make this happen. You got this. Let's do our kicks next. So our fourth move is an alternating kick. Kick, kick. Your range of motion. So your legs might be higher than mine. You might be a little bit lower. Maybe you start to reach opposite hand towards opposite toes. And double check. Check in with your breath. Take the talk test if you need to. So can you say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded or out of breath? If you do feel a little bit out of breath, please back out of it. Maybe take a water break. Come back in when you're ready. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Walk it off. Make it happen. Feel better. Move in a healthy way. I started these walking workouts when I was in high school. My mom and I needed a way to work out at home, especially in the winter months when it was really cold. So we started indoor walking together, and that was about 20 years ago. Sounds wild, but I never stopped. It's been with me through a lot of pieces of my life that I just needed some low impact workout, and that it's been there for me. So let's go ahead and widen the stance. So just see what that feels like in your hips. See what it feels like to just open up a little bit here and just make that change in the feet. How's your hips feel? We're activating the backside muscles a little bit more. Maybe you sink down a little bit more with me. Nice, and then bring the feet back together. Find your breath. Grab some water if you need it. And just keep moving. Open your feet out. Sink it down. Nice. And then this time, we're going to take a kick back. So we're going to kick one heel towards your bum and second side. Now, challenging our balance. We're standing on one foot just a little bit longer. So see, do you need a chair? Do you need a wall? Something for stability here. And just keep going. If you're moving, you're doing it right, my friend. Doesn't have to be on pace. You're not learning a dance move. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Stop. Let me get some more kicks in here. Turn to the side. Let's get the upper body involved. So when the leg goes out, both arms reach out. Okay? Find your kicks first. Kick and kick. Nice. And then maybe reach and reach. Yeah. Just calling on some different muscle, challenging our balance. Take your time. Nice. Belly draws in towards the spine. Activate 360 core. Back body and front body engaged. Lots of muscle. Active, healthy, strong. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back home. Walk it out. Find your breath. Nice job. See, this is a fun workout, right? It goes by so fast. We're already 7.5 minutes in, so well over halfway done. And it's just a fun way to activate your muscles. Activate your metabolism. And step into the side here. Let's take our side steps. Go for it. Step and step. Nice. I'm going to call on some different muscles, so stay here if that feels okay. Or maybe you take a little skater, so toe goes back behind. So kind of like a little torso twist too. Yeah. See if that feels okay. Have some fun. Nice. Stay low for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back home. So tomorrow, we're going to work on strengthening, especially the upper body. So if you have them, I'd love for you to grab a set of light to medium weights. So that's 1 pound up to 5 pounds. If you don't have weights at home, it's all good. Maybe find a weighted object, a couple soup cans or water bottles, something that just gives you a little bit of heaviness in your hands. And yeah, we'll activate through the upper body. Focusing on strengthening upper body. The following day we'll work on lower body. We'll kind of just mesh it all together for the next 2 days. And to keep it fun, exciting, try some new things. Nice job. Knee lifts up and up. Let's get both arms up. Go for it. Yeah. Pull out that air. Core is tight. Strong and stable. Nice job. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Come in up on 10 minutes. Extend your arms. Fingertips will reach towards the sky here. Then find some circles, big or small. Opening through the chest, the back body. And breathe. Let's go ahead and reverse those when you're ready. You can activate the hands. Spread the fingers wide, fingertips towards the sky. So that just activates a little bit more muscle in the forearm, the wrist area, all the way up into the shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. And guess what? We just hit 10 minutes. Nice job. High fives, fist bumps to you. Go ahead and slow it down. We're not going to skip a cool down, okay? So I want you to do a couple gentle stretches with me. Go ahead and take the feet wide. Whew, find your breath. Nice. And then from here, find a little buoyancy in the knees. Maybe just push a hand past and a little rotation here. Whew. Chest is lifted, spine is long. Knees are nice and soft. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Find volcano pose. We're going to reach both arms towards the sky. Palms face each other. Feel length. Feel really tall here. Breathe. And then keep the left hand where it is. Drop the right hand down by your side. Then maybe fold over to the right. You can look up or down. Side body stretch. Take the right arm to the sky, volcano pose, both palms face towards each other. Left arm drops, find a little fold towards the left. Soft, easy breathing here. Let the heart rate come down naturally. Respiratory rate comes down. Bring both arms to the sky. Drop the hands behind you. Maybe interlace the hands behind your back. Pull the elbows down, lift your gaze. Well done, my friend. Shake it out, let it go. Let's seal up the practice with one angel breath. Keep the feet planted on the earth. Inhale, sweep your arms high. Maybe the gaze lifts up. Exhale, maybe draw the hands to heart center. Prayer position here. Maybe drop the chin to the chest. Just take an opportunity to give thanks for this breath. Thanks for this moment in time that you can deepen your wellness. Practicing self-care by nourishing your body, your mind, your spirit. We give thanks for this moment and thanks for this breath. My friend, you can shake out the wrist. You did a great job. Day 1 is in the books. I'm so proud of us. Definitely like, share, and subscribe, and you know what to do. I would love for you to head to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there, I have a cool little resource for you. It's called the Gentle Stride Guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking, and inside, it's like 7 pages, but inside you can track your mileage with your monthly tracker, and then also I have a lot of tips and tools and resources to get you started on your wellness journey. All right, my friend, I am inspired. I hope you are too, and I will see you again tomorrow for our next day, day 2. Let's get going. Bye-bye.